So this product was given to me, and I'm going to be showing you guys how the light bulbs look and everything. They're by the brand Termitor when they're LED lights. So let's open the package. It comes with a glove. That's really nice. Comes with a pair of gloves, so you can put this on. They're really comfortable, really stretchy, so you can see. So it doesn't matter like how big or small your hands are. They actually fit me surprisingly perfect. Like usually a little bit of stuff is coming out, like a little bit of extra is hanging out. But this is how the product looks. This is how the light bulbs look. Um, this is how it is up close for both of them. They're both the same. One's just for a different light. I wish I could show you guys how bright it is, but currently my car is not here. It's in the shop. But overall, this brand seems to have good reviews. I recommend you to check their product page to see if this is the right lights for you. Hi, I go under the name of Sweet Dream and I do review videos for fun. I review products that I'm gonna be using in my own house or for myself, that whether that be skincare or anything like that, and or if it's gonna be for a family member that I want to give it to. Just letting you know, some of these products I review, it's either between I bought the product myself or the product was gifted to me by the brand. I'm just letting you know so you're self-aware. And then the link down below takes you to Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase through my link, I may get a commission at no cost to you. So I'm just letting you know so you're aware of that. And that link does take you straight to Amazon on your, if you're on the phone and you click on it, it's going to take you straight to your, if you have the app downloaded on Amazon, it's going to take you straight there. And like I said, I just review stuff for fun, and I'm really grateful for doing this. If you want to see more, I do post as much as I can, and just like and follow and subscribe.